Okay, good.
Well,
I love
lucky
candy too.
day.
Alright.
We're gonna give you guys some candy. Don't touch it yet. We don't want you.
So we're gonna pass out cups and just put like 2 of each kind in the cup.
Take 2 of each. Marshmallow. Yes. And if you run out, let me know. We've got plenty. We've got some.
This may be my favorite one.
Take 2.
We can't eat them yet though?
No, don't touch them except for put them in your cup.
Take a few of those. That's a lot.
Okay, 2 Tic Tac. We run out of everything yet?
We may run out of the peach rings once they get to me.
No, there's another big coming around.
Exactly.
You happy? Don't worry. Everyone gets plenty.
We're out of worms.
Take 2. 2. These are empty. Alright, take 2 marshmallows. Oop. Does everyone get worms? We good? I know, it's pretty exciting. You like closer. You just get to watch them. Great.
Okay, so while they're still passing around, how would you guys describe how you eat candy? Like,
What do you use?
what do you use? Your hands. Right. So, before there were any utensils, how did people eat food every day?
Hands.
Hands, right. So, in some cultures, though, the left hand is considered to be impure, so they could only use one hand. So, which hand would they use?
The right hand.
Right hand. Right. So, in our culture today, how many hands do we use to?
How many utensils do we use?
How many utensils? Yeah.
To like eat and cut it.
2. Right.
Good.
But in other cultures, they also use 2 utensils, but they can only use their right hand. So, can you think of any cultures that do that?
Japanese.
Right. And so, what are those utensils called?
Chopsticks.
Yeah.
Right. So, we're going to be using chopsticks today. We're going to hand them out. We're going to teach you how to use them. And what we just did was an example of guided discovery. Because we couldn't necessarily tell you, but you guys had to figure out that chopsticks were you're going to use through a series of questions. And so that's what we're going to do, teach you how to use them too. So don't get frustrated, because it may be frustrating like trying to figure out the answer to one question or something. And also we want this to be a very individual kind of thing. So like, don't necessarily ask your neighbor, try and figure it out for yourself. And if you have questions, ask me or Megan and we can help you out.
And we can't answer you directly. We're going to be asking you a series of questions so that you will figure out exactly how to use them.
So don't touch me.
Oh, I didn't
So encouraging.
I didn't do anything.
So excited.
I really didn't do anything. I love candy. That's why when you get the last and you just have.
All right. So, how would you guys separate these?
How'd you go about?
We use our hands.
How do you separate them? What do you do?
Pull apart.
Good job. Good job.
Let's be real.
Okay, so if you guys were to write on a piece of paper, what would you use?
A pen.
Good.
So.
Okay, so how would you...
How would you hold that clear pencil? How do you normally
Let's just
hold?
go with one chopstick right now. Okay. Looks good.
Everyone got that? So which hand is on top? Or which finger?
Oh,
Your
your index one.
Yeah, and where is it resting? Where, fingers are resting on?
The middle.
Oh,
Is that one?
what's the index finger?
Pointer.
Pointer.
I go with pointer.
Okay, good.
Alright, so we got that one in position.
Everyone good? Look at you guys. Okay.
So if you were to hold the other chopstick, only holding it with the thumb and the pointer finger, how would you do that?
Above the.
Everyone good so far?
Okay. So, keeping the bottom one stable, how would you pinch them together?
By moving your these two down.
Good.
Does everyone have that down? Are we good?
Okay.
Good job.
So now we're going to take the first piece of candy, the Picho. So go ahead and take it out.
You can use your fingers to take it out.
Yeah, you can use your fingers.
Get it out of the cup.
No, not using my fingers.
Yeah, that's a pure.
How'd 18 jump in?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Good, got a discovery.
So we're just going to practice picking up the Picho. Just get comfortable with the chopsticks.
Oh,
Put it, eat it, enjoy it.
oh, we need it?
Yeah.
Oh.
How you doing?
Use your guided discovery.
So, is that going to be figured out to hold the bottom?
It's twice as heavy.
Probably not. No.
Okay. So, where would the bottom one use to get it? So, like, if you're holding it like a pencil, it's easy. But take the top one off now.
Wait, are we going on? Or we just?
Yeah, there's another one. So then, you're going to say, like, how should I sound?
Just keep practicing.
This one with the thumb.
Well, actually,
Sorry, I'm just gonna wait.
you guys all got the Picho? Okay.
Don't hurt.
Uh,
I just don't want. No, but okay. How do you hold it? Okay. So now, I tried to take your thumb and your index finger.
yeah, you want it?
Grab that one.
Just get this one down. Yeah, that looks good. Just so this bottom one is just rest there. That was
So you're just gonna hold this finger and hold it like that.
and then this one just moves a little bit.
Good?
What are you
You guys all good? You guys all eat your
I'm
Pichos?
out of peach rings. I'm not good.
Oh, I'm
I'm
sorry.
out of one more.
You good? You can do all of your Pichos.
Daniel's son.
No, but we're not moving on to anything else yet.
So we all feel pretty comfortable with the chopsticks.
And Picho, the general. Okay, so now we're gonna do the marshmallow. And the marshmallow is bigger in size, right?
So
Okay.
everyone take out the marshmallow with your fingers.
Oh.
Take out the marshmallow. And just look
It's
at
not
it.
clean.
So what variations do you think you would have to use to pick up the marshmallow?
Since it's bigger in size.
You have to spread them out more.
Right?
Oh.
Because you need more space.
Yeah.
Well,
And
she
then-
didn't say
What do you?
stab it.
Well, we're not stabbing because that's not the correct use.
That sounds violent.
Right.
Right.
Okay, so you can practice the
Practice
variation
with
of.
the marshmallow.
You can eat it if you'd like.
Run away. No, I got it.
Do you like a new marshmallow?
I got it.
We got plenty.
Oh, I love candy. We go on to number 2, is that okay?
Yeah. Eat all your marshmallows. Enjoy.
My presentation.
Keep practicing.
How you doing?
You don't want marshmallow.
How's it going? You good?
How'd that happen?
Did you get it?
I figured it out all by myself.
I'm so proud.
Thanks.
Good. You guys good? Got it down? Perfect.
How do you think you move your fingers to get more space between? Yeah. So that'll might
There's no way I'm getting that in. It said tic tac.
Yeah, that one is best.
That was the other one I was worried about.
And then try not to cross them.
Just gotta get those worms out of the way.
Yeah, that looks good.